gotta hit the beat.
Welcome back to the channel again, guys. I hope you liked the short intro. So today we have a desk full of MSI products, a full setup, gaming setup in fact. Starting with the monitor, we also have the Trident series gaming desktop. Complementing the desktop, we have the GK50 low profile gaming keyboard, the GM50 gaming mouse on top of the GD60 gaming mousepad. We also have the GH50 gaming headset, and last but not least, the GC30 wireless gaming controller. This is a very similar controller, even the layout is the same with the Xbox 360. If you are familiar with that, then you know what you are getting into. Also, the D-pad cover is actually removable. They actually give you a spare one, but in a circular shape, and just snap on magnetically on the D-pad. Beside the D-pad, there is 4 LED battery level indicator. Based on my testing, I managed to squeeze up to about almost 8 hours while just purely playing Forza on the Trident desktop. One thing that differentiates this controller with the Xbox 360 ones is that this one comes with rubber grips on each side of the controller, giving you a slightly firmer grip while gaming. For audio, we have the GH50 gaming headset. It has an oval shape and soft ear cup. Based on my own experience, I would say about medium softness. This headset also comes with a detachable unidirectional microphone. Depending on what type of games I'm playing, sometimes I use a microphone on Discord, sometimes I don't. So it's a good thing that I can detach it whenever I'm not using it. For those who likes RGB, yes, this headset comes with RGB illumination on each side of the cup over the MSI Dragon logo. This headset is powered by USB and comes with a controller right in the middle. It allows for quick access to some sound controls like toggling the 7.1 surround sound, to able to enhance some bass, and also a mute button. And obviously on the side there's a drop down for you to increase and decrease the volume quickly. The keyboard I have here is the GK50 low profile keyboard. Obviously, based on the name, the keycaps are low profile. You can see from the side angle here that it is pretty low. All the RGB effects can be controlled directly on the keyboard itself, but you can also do that in Dragon Center if you prefer that. The keyboard also has some media function keys where you can access via the function row. Next to the keyboard, we have the GD60 RGB mousepad. Now this mousepad comes with 6 different RGB lighting effects, and there is actually a button on the control box where you can just press and change the effect right on the go. And last but not least, we have the Clutch GM50 gaming mouse. This mouse is on what they say ergonomical shape. Similarly to the controller earlier, it does comes with the rubber side grip on both left and right side of the mouse, so it gives you a pretty firm grip while you are using, especially when gaming, right? And you can actually choose from 9 different light effects. Just like the keyboard, the lighting effect can also be controlled in Dragon Center. There are 6 programmable buttons on the mouse, as well as a DPI switch in the middle that comes with 5 presets. Before I end this video, I'd like to thank Taiwan Excellence again for sponsoring this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share, and of course, subscribe. I will go back to continue my Forza Horizon 5 adventure in this MSI setup. See you in the next video. Bye!